Day 2. Yesterday was, we ended up, as you'll see in the video, we ended up trying to go toward Kentucky, Benz Creek and Gilbert and stuff like that, but they have got the prison trail that goes around above the prison. If you go in above the bowling alley, it's blocked. So as far as I know, I think that's going to be closed for a very long time because they're going to bring the road through there. The new Coalfield Expressway, I think, is going to come through there. So unfortunately, those trails will be gone. We're going to have to, if we head north, we're going to have to ride some road a little bit and then figure that out later. But so we went over toward Pinnacle Creek and all that. We rode the new Soggy Bottom Hatfield Trail. There used to be Soggy Bottom. Now it's, I think, Trail 28. It's a cool trail. You can go really fast, really hard pack. It's a really good trail. Unfortunately, it's not Soggy Bottom anymore, but there's still a few mud holes, but not many that's on the sides. So, but it's a good trail. Quickest way now to get from down toward like Rogers Paradise and stuff back up to Hilltop or Black Dog or anything. I think it's even faster than going up to the stair steps and then up. So so that's nice. But we just kind of hung out. We stopped at Wrong Turn Pizza and then stopped at Riders and then rode back. Mitch ended up going home early this morning because he's going to the fair. Has fair food on his mind, so him and the family, so that's cool. And then Paul got sick overnight. Had an awful night. Got some kidney stuff going on or something. I don't know what it is. So he had to leave this morning. We helped him load up. So it's just us today, which is okay. We're going to ride most Hatfields. We're going to head over toward like Mullins. We're going to go see the Itmann Company Store. We haven't seen it. Looks pretty cool. A little bit of history. They're actually having an open house today, I think, because it's for sale. So we can maybe go inside, take a little tour, and there's going to be some historians there, I think. So it's going to be educational.
Educational weekend. I don't want to learn
all right, well, stay tuned. We'll get a little video, and we'll see you in a little bit.
Get your education on.
But oh, that is pretty.
It used to be a mine.
Wow, look at this. Look at that. That's cool.
Oh, that is cool.
This is big. It's like cells. Let's go through this door right here. Can't. Oh, come on.
It's cold.
I think they were parked down here.
Yeah.
I wish we could go in there. Those are like cells. I would say it look like cells.
Oh.
What? So it looks like cells over there. Yeah, I wish we could go in there. Ding, ding, ding. Can't really see anything. Okay, we can go inside right there. Hey, look at see that extended, Mom.
Huh? Is that really necessary?
It's completely necessary.
No.
Guys,
I don't like the I don't like the washing.
prison. How do I get this thing back down? There we go. It's too big for me.
All those old filing cabinets.
Oh, yeah, what?
Shelf. Like, so much money in this place to bring it back.
That's millions and millions of dollars. This thing might be up for sale for like ages and ages and ages.
See, it's cold here. I know. Because it's stone.
What do you got to say, Cameron? What do you got to say, Cameron? Make love, not something. It's like cold in here.
I know, this is the freezer. It used to be the freezer stuff.
Whoa. It's dark in there, I can't see anything.
I have a flashlight.
There's that little old freezer in the corner. This thing just might, like, how long? This place is gonna take forever to rebuild. Who's gonna even buy it? What's back here? Is that a well? There's a well right there. But you can't go out. Can't go out there though. That's the bad thing.
They had a green one back there.
It's torture chamber. Torture chamber.
I'm sorry.
This has been like destroyed. Old can. That's an old can of Dr. Thunder.
Dr. Thunder.
Can't see anything in here though on the GoPro. GoPro can't see anything. I don't even know how this is even holding it up.
We can go upstairs.
Yeah, we should go upstairs.
We can probably go up upstairs. Look at this. We would close this.
Look, this is the door right here, Cameron.
That's
For
a
that?
thick freezer door.
Yeah, that's the freezer right there. Probably.
What is that? Look at this.
Oh, there's a downstairs right there, Mom. Pretty sure we already been down the road. That toilet was destroyed. That's an elevator.
I know.
Elevator. Why did this thing get like destroyed?
No.
Was there like a tornado or something? Or they just decided to absolutely destroy it and put it up for sale?
I don't know. People like it's been abandoned forever.
Oopsies.
Just sit there far away and I will help you.
Look at that dog over there. How old is this place anyway? Don't want to come in here.
1923 and 29.
Oh my gosh. Look how open this is.
Prehistoric Nerf
A
dart.
prehistoric Nerf dart.
Look at this. Look at this. Prehistoric Nerf dart. Prehistoric.
It's all 19. Prehistoric Dr. Pepper. Brooklyn. We gotta look up and research how and why this place is like destroyed.
You know, I wonder if this is lead paint. You know, they used to, like, that was like top.
Well, there's an elevator.
Look at the elevator.
Oh, no, we saw it downstairs.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, it was like a nightmare on top of it.
So we didn't jump down.
That
Let's see if it works, right?
Yeah, hit the button.
hit the button.
I mean, I'm hitting the button. They're actually going in.
Well, yeah, the thing's got like a stuff all over it. Look, there's a prehistoric bucket right there.
Prehistoric bucket.
Here's the top to that toilet. Here's the top to that toilet. Imagine what this place
You
looked like.
videoing the floor and everything?
I'm not. Oh, I've been literally recording all the way up here.
Going on there. How are you guys? Good, how are you?
Just like put your flashlight up. Not at the wall, Cam. At the wall and stuff. It's safe.
This is like the type of stuff that we have in Dad's building.
Yeah, we'll close y'all in there, see ya.
Push up. You can.